Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain JUMIA mobile app review to see with what you're using. So to get started, the JUMIA mobile app is a popular online shopping platform in Africa, offering a wide range of products like electronics, fashion, groceries, and home items. The app is easy to use with features like product search filters, flash sales, mobile payment option, and order tracking. Many users enjoy the convenience of shopping from home, especially with fast delivery in major cities and regular discount offer. It's about good option if you want a varieties and flexible payment method. However, the app has some downside. Users have report issues like app crashes, slow down customer support, and problem with wrong or delay order, especially from third-party sellers. Buying electronics or high volume items can sometimes feel risky. Still, if you stick to official store, check the seller's rating and use a pay on delivery when possible, you are more likely to have a good experience. And overall, Jumia app is worth it for everyday shopping as long as you shop with smart and carefully. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. And that's it.